Here's some of my clothes that I'm keeping. This workout set is literally what I wear all the time. This shorts, this shirt, and this socks. I already packed up my yoga pants and then shipped it, so this is my workout outfit. They dry super fast. They're very light. I love them. My light shirt, my big sleeping shirt, my Wi-Fi machine, blow dryer, backpack. Over here is the cabinet. Let's go. Now here there is literally nothing. Everything's been decluttered. Nothing. See and believe. And over here is pretty much nothing except for the suitcase and a little bit of clothes. Now, just so you guys can trust me, nothing here. And in my suitcase, it's just a bunch of books and then also these straps for my bedding and stuff. And then here's a bikini bottom that I got for this past weekend. I'm gonna keep that, but I've already decluttered the bikini top, so there's that. And here's a new shirt that I bought from Zara. I love it. It's very light, very sexy. The only downside is these sleeves are a little bit tight, so I was like, should I buy it or not? But for now, I can handle a little bit of discomfort for fashion. Like, if I can find an item that's exactly like this with better sleeve, I'll probably declutter this like in a heartbeat. There are my shorts, some underwear, blah, 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 blah. That's that. And those are all the clothes that I own, including the one that I'm wearing. Now we'll move to the bathroom. This foot mat, which will be decluttered. Hi guys, hello. Turn on the light. Hello. Howdy do. Now there are some changes in the bathroom, mainly that I am running out of all the products now, pretty much, which is cool. This is cleansing foam for face, but I use it for like washing my hands and then like cleaning purposes as well, because it's pretty much a surfactant, so it's pretty much the same thing. It's kind of like soap, but just, you know, cleansing foam type of soap. So it's my toothpaste, toothbrush, floss. That's the only toothpaste that I have other than the carry-on toothpaste that I always keep in my bag, because I always like to keep a toothbrush and a paste on me. There's a towel. Over here, pretty much nothing, except I bought these two skincare items because remember I complained about how this lotion was a little bit too oily. And I think one of the things that I want to work on now that I've been taking care of like my health and other aspects of my life, I want to start taking care of my skin a little bit more and invest a little bit more of better items in my skin. But I'm not saying I want like an expensive brand skincare product, but I do need some like unscented, very gentle moisturizer than like the generic body lotion, I think. So I think my face is a little bit dry because of that. So I bought the Cetaphil lotion and cream. I think these are recommended by dermatologists for people with eczema and dry skin, which I've had eczema all my life, so I think it's great for me. This foundation, still haven't run out of it. I will declutter it as soon as I move out, but I've been keeping it because why not? I use it. And over here, I am literally almost out of the shampoo, so I put some water in there. Who else hasn't done that? If you have never done that, good for you. And this conditioner is also almost out. But you know, a lot of these products, they actually do have like distilled water in them. And I just add water in them if I'm almost running out and I don't feel like buying a new item. So no shame in that. And here's my razor, which I will declutter because it's about time that I update my razor anyway. So over here, there's nothing except, hello, there's me. So I think that actually concludes my house tour because you guys, I live in a small studio. And there's really not much to see except for all this prettiness. So let me do an outro and then talk to you guys in a second. Hi guys, so that was my home tour. That could be very well the last video that I make at this apartment. I think it might be. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you've shown me so far. When I move to a new place, I would have to adjust my content a little bit, but you'll get to see different ways I'm living my life, and then maybe you can learn a thing or two or relate to it and things like that. So thank you always for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!